There you are. Your mom said I'll find you here. It's been 2 days you've missed school. You really need to get over him.
You think it's that easy, huh?
I never said it was.
Just leave me be, Matilda.
You know, I never liked Tony for you. He was a jerk, an entitled douche who had no ounce of respect for you. I'll really say that it was a breakup that needed to happen. Oh Lizzie, you are my best friend. And seeing you like this breaks my heart.
I won't lie, Matilda, I feel miserable. I thought for once, I had a guy who really likes me. Only to find out later that I was just a game to him.
I understand you.
No offense, but how could you possibly? You were in a beautiful relationship with a guy who loves you dearly. But look at me. I'm about to spend another Valentine's Day alone, in this old room of mine.
Well, you don't have to spend it alone. You can come hang out with me and Chris.
Wow, won't that be wonderful? Now I'm just wondering if you are here to console me or add salt to my injured heart.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to cheer you up. Listen, you are beautiful and you deserve better than Tony. I can assure you, your Valentine will happen as you hoped. One of Chris's friends is having a birthday party tomorrow night. You should come.
I don't think I should.
And why not? What the crime in that? Listen girl, you've hid yourself from the world for 2 whole days. Your dreams can't come true just by sitting on your bed, looking all sad and heartbroken for a guy who has clearly moved on to the next available girl to prey on. Just come to the party tomorrow. Look your best and prepare to have fun. I know, there is no guarantee that you will find your Valentine at the party, but you'll meet new people and have fun. That's a promise.
Alright, I'll see what my wardrobe has to offer.
That's the spirit.
Do you think she'll make it?
Definitely, she will. Ah, there she is.
Thank God she finally left the house. I'll leave you two to have fun while I'll go meet my guys.
Thanks, love. I was beginning to think you wouldn't show up.
I almost didn't.
Well, I'm glad you did.
You only had to persuade me to come. I won't lie, Matilda, I'm not really feeling this place. A lot of people from school. And I know, surely, Tony will be here fondling some girl.
So, what if he's here? Look babe, there are many fishes in the river.
Speak of the devil, he's exactly in the position I had imagined him to be.
He's not worth it. Come. Mrs. Primey had refused Jennifer's plea to join the school students' council. Jennifer was so angry that she threw a tantrum. She went round school screaming and threatening to report to her father how the principal had disrespected her.
What? Does she think her father is the president or something? She can't force her way to get everything she wants, especially not with Mrs. Primey.
That's exactly the words on every student's lips.
I missed so much at school. Especially the juicy gossips.
Hello ladies.
Hi.
Hi babe, I see you are having fun. Hello Salathiel. Nice birthday party.
Thanks Matilda, I believe you and your friend are having a great time.
Yes we are.
Alright then, there are a lot of food and drinks to go round. I'll steal your boyfriend for a bit. I hope you don't mind.
I don't mind at all.
Alright, catch you later.
Wow, did he just?
Yes he did. And I saw you. I saw how you looked at him.
I think you saw it wrong.
Did I?
Well,
I think he likes you too.
I think he's just being nice.
If you say so. Come on, let's dance.
Lizzie, hi.
Hello Salathiel, strange to run into you here.
I come here most weekends. But, I've never ran into you here.
True, I see you around sometime, but are always around friends. So I'll say, different timing.
Ha ha ha.
I guess we can say that.
Your friends aren't with you today.
Not today, I just came to pick up an order.
Alright then, I guess we'll meet again. Hopefully.
What if I asked you on a date? Will you do me the honors?
Huh?
Please, tell me you said yes.
Well,
Well,
I told him I'll think about it and give him a reply.
Huh?
Thanks Essence fams for watching Love on Valentine. I really hope you liked it. If yes, let us know what you think of it and who your favorite character is. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. See you in my next video.